Okay. First of all, welcome dear students to our science class. My name is Miss Al-Anud and we want to refresh your memory with our online classroom rules. First of all, you have to sign in on time, find some quiet place to study, listen. I want you to listen and look at the screen, raise your hand, answer when teacher calls your name, okay? When teacher calls your name, I want you to answer. And please, please, please do not draw on the screen. And finally, do not talk to your friend, okay? Today is Thursday. The date is 10th September 2020. We are studying science, Unit 1, Lesson 1. How do we use inquiry skills? How to use inquiry skills, okay? I want to start our lesson with a video. Are you ready to watch our video today? Show me thumbs up if you are ready. Are you ready to watch the video? Great, great, mashallah, great. Okay, let's start.
Let's be scientists.
Everyone can see the screen? Show me your thumbs. Good. What about the voice?
Today I'm a scientist. Do you want to be a scientist too? Let's start with my dog Potato. When she's thirsty, I fill up her bowl with water and she takes a big slurp. My mom's plant is looking thirsty too. Let's predict what will happen if I put Potato's bowl next to it. It's not drinking. Do you think I should pour water in the flower pot? Oh, that's much better. Plants don't drink water with their mouths like Potato and me. They soak up water through their roots. Let's paint a picture of the plant to remember what we discovered. I don't have green paint for the plant, only red, yellow, and blue. What do you think will happen if I mix some colors? Red and yellow make orange. What will blue and yellow make? Whoa! Mixing yellow and blue makes green. Ta-da! Let's go outside for one last experiment. It's really hot out here. Let's see what happens to this cup of cold ice. Do you think it will melt? It is melting. Now we have a cup of cold water, which is a liquid. When water is frozen into ice, it's a solid. Water can also be a gas. That's the steam you see when grown-ups heat up water on the stove. Hey, Potato. Still thirsty, girl? Thanks for playing scientist with me today. Look around you. Can you make a prediction?
All right, boys. After watching the video, now he's trying to be a scientist. And we all know that a scientist is curious, ask questions, form a hypothesis, conduct experiments, record observation, makes a conclusion. Can anyone tell me what his experiment was about? Okay, let's see. Who's raising the hand? Yes, Alawi, please.
He go to make the experiment and then he go just mixed yellow and blue.
Excellent, excellent. Did he infer about something?
Yes,
Excellent. He inferred about what? When you mix colors, what will appear?
Another color.
Excellent. This was his inference. Thank you. Thank you, my boy. Please mute your microphone. So first, our friend, our scientist, he observed. He used his five senses to observe. He used his sight, his hearing, taste, touch, and smell to know about something. So first, I want you to know, when you are observing about something, you need to ask yourself these questions to make your observation easy. How does the object feel? What color is the object? And how does the object taste or smell? What does the object sound like? To observe something, I'm going to ask you, how does the pillow feel? Tell me. Can anyone tell me, how does a pillow feel? Umar Al-Safi, please unmute your microphone. Okay, Umar.
Okay.
How does a pillow feel?
Hello.
You have a pillow around you. Can you observe this pillow and tell me, how does a pillow feel?
Smell.
Does it feel soft or rough?
Rough.
Rough? Okay, maybe your pillow is rough. Thank you, Amar, for participating. You observed a pillow.
A little bit soft.
Good, good. Thank you, Umar. You observed a pillow. Excellent. Okay. Fawzi Marghalani, please. You raised your hand. Unmute. Okay, Fawzi. What color is your desk or your table, the one you are sitting on?
White and yellow and red and black.
Excellent. So you are watching or observing your desk. Excellent. Thank you. Thank you, Fawzi. Okay, Rayyan. Rayyan, please unmute your microphone. Excellent. Rayyan, how does the object taste or smell? How about a cupcake? How does a cupcake taste? Is it sweet or sour?
Sweet.
Excellent. What about the smell? Cupcake smells. Excellent. Thank you, Rian. Thank you for participating. Yes, Abdelilah, can you unmute your microphone? Excellent. Now, what does the object sound like? Let's think of something you can observe and know how does it sound like. Think about something you want to observe, Abdelilah. Look around you in your room. What do you see that can make a sound? Abdelilah, are you there? Yes, Abdelilah? Okay, how about try to knock the desk? Let's see the sound. Is it loud or little? Yalla, let's knock.
Yes.
Oh, so it's not loud. Okay, if I tried to knock this desk with other object, still little or loud?
Little.
Okay. Let's see here. What do you have? Okay, this is the other video I want you to watch, and we will complete together. Please, ears to listen and eyes to look, okay?
Skills to help you learn. Inquiry skills. Compare is to tell how things are alike and different. Observe using your senses. Classify and communicate. To sort things into groups. There are 2 bluebirds, 1 red bird, and 3 brown birds. Make a model and sequence. Things may happen in order, and to put things in order. A model of a butterfly. First, there's a butterfly egg, then turns into a larva, then turns into a chrysalis, then turns into a butterfly. Measure to find out how much or how long. Predict to make a good guess what will happen about the book you are reading.
Okay, great. So these are inquiry skills to help you understand or to make an observation. So I will move one by one and we will discuss about them. Okay, you can compare. When you compare between 2 things, you are observing 2 things and you want to compare between them to tell how things are alike and different, if they look alike or different. Yes, Rayan? Yes, Rayan, you have something to ask? Rayan? I'm asking you to unmute yourself.
Yes.
Okay, Rayan, you raised the hand. You have something to ask?
No.
Okay, let me ask you something. When you compare between these 2 leaves, what do you see? What can you tell? You can tell if they are alike or different. How they are alike? Can you tell me? I asked you to unmute yourself. Okay. How they are alike? Okay, Muhammad Mandili, do you know the answer? How these leaves are alike?
The yellow is long and the green is not long.
Excellent. Now, this is the difference between them. You are giving me a difference between them. I want someone, thank you, Mandiri, thank you. I want someone to tell me how they are look alike. Ahmed, yes, Ahmed, please unmute your microphone.
I know. What?
How these leaves are alike.
The green is big and the yellow is...
Great, you are giving, thank you for your try. I really appreciate that.
The yellow
Yes?
is tall.
Yes?
And this is fat.
Okay, you are giving me the difference. All of you, you answered and give me the difference between them. Guys, they are alike, they are like each other because they are all leaves, okay? They are all leaves and comes from a tree, all right? Let's see the other skill we need. Observe, using your senses to observe things. You use your eyes to see, your sight, you use your hearing to listen, you use your nose to smell, and you use your tongue to touch, and you use your tongue to taste, and your hand to touch. Other inquiry skill we need is to classify. What do I mean to classify? See over here, we have a table. We have two blue birds. Can you see the blue birds? We have two blue birds over here. And we have only one red bird. And how many brown? 0. They are all yellow birds. So you need to classify. You need to classify. Let's see what other skill you need. What other skill you need? You need to make model. Making a model make you understand your investigation. See, when you make a model, if I bring these for you at school and you see it with your own eyes, maybe you can touch it, you can do what? You can understand more about it because you saw a model. So things may happen in order, and to put things in order, you need to make a model. See, we are here making a model. Excellent. What about other inquiry skills we need? We need to measure. See, this girl over here, she is doing what? She is trying to measure to see how long or how short. Then what you need is to predict. To predict means to make a good guess what will happen about the book you are reading. To predict is to think about what is going to happen. You make a good guess about it. Yes, that's it, my boys. Let's go back to our presentation. Okay, over here we are going to repeat what do I mean by inquiry skills. And I want someone to read for me. Who can read for me, my boys? Can someone raise the hand, please? Let me see. Who can read for me? Let's see. Iyad Badahdah, please.
Yes.
Can you read for me?
I can't see it.
Can't see it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sorry. I will have to share my screen again. Just a minute. Now you can see it?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, inquiry skills help people. Can you complete reading, please?
Find out information.
Excellent. So the first over here, inquiry skills help people to find out information. Thank you. Okay. Hassan, please, Hassan. Can you unmute your microphone and read with me?
Okay.
Great. Over here, inquiry skills help people plan and do tests. These children complete reading from here. These
children use
inquiry
skills to do a task for school.
Excellent. They are
Ob-
observing.
observing
And observe means to use what?
to use your five
Excellent, excellent. Senses.
senses to learn about things.
Excellent, excellent. Thank you for participating. Let's see. Okay. Fahad, please unmute your microphone.
Hello.
Hello. Hello, my dear. Okay. What do I mean by observing? You only need observing to make an investigation or to know more about something, or you can do another thing.
Do another thing.
Excellent. What can you do? Look at here. I want you to read, my friend. Okay? I want you to read and tell me what you can do after observing. Danny and Sophie want to observe things in the backyard. They plan an investigation. Complete from here, my dear. They plan. Are you there? Fahad, are you there? Okay, you muted yourself. Please unmute yourself. Okay, good. Fahad, can you complete? They plan.
They plan
How
to
yes. Out what they want to know.
What they want to know.
They also they also predict. Excellent, thank you. Thank you, Fahad, for participating. Now, I want Salim Bagadir. Please unmute your microphone, Salim. Salim, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, great.
Yes,
Salim?
I am.
Okay, great, Salim. They also predict. What do I mean by predict? Predict is to can you read over here? I put it in a box. Can you read it? I put it in a box. When they predict, what do I mean? They also predict.
Not much.
What? Thank you, Salim. Mute your microphone. Let's see.
I don't have a channel that's subject.
It's okay. It's okay. Okay, let's see who wants to participate. Hattan? Hattan, please. Okay, Hattan. When they also predict, they make what?
Make good guess.
Excellent. So first you are observing and then you predict. You make a good guess. Excellent. Thank you. Now, when these boys are outside trying to observe things in the backyard, they were exploring. They need for exploring to use inquiry skills. Inquiry skills include observe, inference, making a good guess, predict, or look at this boy. What is this boy doing? Who can tell me? Can you raise up your hand and tell me what is this boy doing? Yes, you can drink water. Then please mute your microphone, okay? Now, who wants to tell me? Faris Husni, did you participate today with us? And then I want Abdul Ilah Muhammad.
Yeah.
Yes, Faris. What is this boy doing? Can you see this boy? Look at this boy. He is exploring. He observed and also he predicted about something. Now, what he's doing to this house, to this bird house? Look, he's using something. Are you there? Let's see. Where is Faris? Faris, you muted yourself by mistake, my dear. Faris? Okay, we'll take Abdul Ilah. Where is Abdul Ilah? Let me see. Abdul Ilah Muhammad. Please unmute your microphone. Abdul Ilah. Abdul Ilah Muhammad. I am asking you to unmute your microphone. Yes, my boy. Okay. I can't hear you, Abdul Ilah. I can see that you are saying hi. Okay, Abdul Ilah. Yes, I can hear you now. I can hear you.
Yes,
Abdul Ilah, I can hear you. I can hear you, my dear.
Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi bro. What's up, babe?
Okay, thank you, Abdul Ilah. I think you have problems. You can't see. Now, let's see. Where is Mutawakkil? Muhammad Abdul Latif? Yes, please. This boy is doing what? He was exploring and he was observing, predicting. Okay, now look at his hand. What does he have in his hand?
Measuring tape.
Excellent. He is measuring. He's using a ruler to measure. Thank you, Muhammad. Mute your microphone. Excellent. So he used inquiry skills to learn more about the backyard. He used his ruler to measure. Excellent. Now, Sophie over here, compare. See? Compare. She compare leaves. She observes how are they alike and how they are different, just like we did before. I told you, I asked you to compare between the leaves and tell me how they are alike and how they are different. Okay, I want someone to look at Sophie's leaves and put them in order of size from smallest to largest. Amir al-Bakri, please, Amir al-Bakri. Okay. Which is smallest? Can you tell me which is number one? Amir?
What?
Can you tell me these leaves, which one is the smallest? Smallest leaf.
This one.
You can write on the screen?
Yeah.
Okay, can you write number one? Excellent. This is number one. Excellent. Okay, Al-Badi. Al-Badi. Abdulillah Al-Badi. Tell me number two. Number two is what? I want you to tell me from the smallest to the largest. So if this the smallest, what comes after this one? Right or left? I want you to write the number. Here or here? Left, you are saying left. Excellent. Can you write? Do you know how to write on the screen? Can you write number 2? Okay, it's fine. I want Abdulaziz. Abdulaziz? Are you there, Abdulaziz? Please unmute your microphone.
Yes.
Okay, good. Which one is number 2? Can you write on the screen number 2?
Number 2 is this. Number 2.
Number 2. Which one is number 2?
Yes.
You can't write on the screen. It's fine. Thank you, guys. Yes, I will write for you. Number 2.
Number 2, the small.
Yes, the small. Excellent, excellent.
Next.
So this is number 2, and this is number 3. That's it. So today we used our inquiry skills to do what? Can you tell me? Hattan, your microphone is open. Can you tell me? We used our inquiry skills just to do what? Excellent. To learn and to know more about things and informations. Excellent, boys. That's it for today. We are going to complete, inshallah, next week. Have a nice weekend. Do you have any questions? Do you have any questions? If you have any questions, just raise up your hand. Al-Badi, you are raising your hand. Do you have any question? Okay, ask me anything.
I like bathroom.
Okay, you can go, my dear. Yes, Ahmed.
Miss,
Yes.
how many classes do you have more?
I don't know about that. You can see your schedule. Okay, guys, anything related to our science? Anything related to our lesson? Okay, if you understand, show thumbs up. If you understand, show thumbs up. Do you understand? Great, great, great. What a good smile. Thank you, boys. Thank you. See you next week and have a nice weekend.